Welcome to this evening practice. This is your time to wind down, take your space, and let go of anything that no longer belongs. Find a comfortable seated position. Allow your spine to grow tall, shoulders to relax, and hands to rest gently on your knees. We will begin with our eyes open, softly gazing ahead. Now let's gently get aware of our body, of our hands, of our feet, of our torso, our pelvis, getting aware of the shoulders, the chest, the neck, all the facial muscles, and the top of the head. Notice if there are any sensations without any judgments. Now, with your next inhale, invite a sense of grounding. And as you exhale, feel the day beginning to release. Slowly and gently, we are going to blink our eyes to a close, closing the doors to the outside world and opening the door to the inner world. Now, with your eyes closed, we are going to scan the body once again, this time starting from the head. Let's become aware of the top of the head, the entire scalp, relaxing the forehead, relaxing the eyes, the nose, the jaw, the tongue, relaxing the neck, relaxing the shoulders, the forearms, elbows, upper arms, relaxing all the way to the tips of the fingers and allowing the hands to be gently placed on the knees. Relaxing the chest, the entire back, the abdomen, your pelvis, your hips, going down to your thighs and your inner thighs, relaxing your knees, the back of the knees, relaxing the shins and the calves, the top of the foot, the heels and the ankles, the soles of the feet, and the tips of the toes. Allowing your breath to flow naturally without any effort, and feel the grounding support of the earth below you. You are safe and you are here. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, every inhale filling your lungs, with every exhale releasing the day thus far. Continue in the awareness of your breath just for a couple of moments. Now, let's visualize a large glowing triangle of light surrounding you. The base of the triangle represents grounding and support. Feel the earth beneath you, steady, strong, holding you. The left side symbolizes the receptive feminine energy, a space of rest, reflection, and nurturing. The right side holds the active masculine energy, your strength, boundaries, and ability to take action. The apex at the top connects you to the universe, your higher self, and divine wisdom. This triangle is your energetic real estate, your sacred boundary, your sacred space. Within it, you are safe. Within it, you are allowed to take space. Take a moment now to consciously place what belongs inside your triangle and what does not. Inside the triangle, welcome in thoughts, emotions, and relationships that uplift you, fuel you, and belong. Just outside the edges, place things that are important but do not feel like they need to be within the triangle. They do not need full access. Tasks, responsibilities, and external expectations. They are present, but they do not occupy your personal space. Beyond the triangle, move out anything that no longer serves you. Stress, energy drains, or thoughts that do not belong to you. Watch them fade away, clearing space for what truly matters. This is the act of boundary setting, an ongoing practice of knowing where to say yes, where to say no, and where to create space for yourself. Take a couple of moments and just reflect on this. Within our visualization, now let's refine the space. Is there anything crowding your space that needs to move further out? Is there something outside that deserves to be welcomed in? You are curating your life. Choose what stays, what moves, and what leaves. And as you breathe, let this awareness settle into your being. Trust that you are allowed to make these choices. Now feel the edges of your triangle solidifying, not as rigid walls, but as strong yet flexible boundaries. It keeps you grounded, it keeps you clear, and you are in control of what enters and what stays outside. So take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let this boundary settle into place with clarity and confidence. Remember, you are allowed to take space. Inhale and exhale. And let's invoke peace within our body, our mind, and our soul. Feeling that peace spreading throughout your space, your personal energetic real estate. It expands within your triangle and radiates all around you. This triangle is your sacred space. You can return here anytime to reset, to realign, to remember what is truly yours. As you prepare to rest, gently bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your body, and slowly and gently back to the present moment. Letting go of the day thus far and allowing your mind to soften. Inhale and exhale. And as we open our eyes slowly and gently, let's merge our internal world with our external world. Whenever you're ready, gently join your hands in a namaste near the chest. Bow your head down, chin to chest. Take a nice deep breath, inhale and exhale. And just repeat in your mind, I am allowed to take space. Slowly and gently start rubbing your hands. Generate a lot of heat. Spread it all over your body or wherever it asks of you. Once again, rub your hands, place them in front of your eyes, and slowly and gently open your eyes. Thank you for your practice. Have a restful evening, and we'll meet again soon.